Hi guys, welcome to SaDesign channel. Today I'll show you how to transform photos to amazing pencil drawing. Stay tuned. At first, right-click to background layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Duplicate layer with Ctrl or Command J. Create black and white layer in adjustment icon. Turn off the copy layer and go to Filter Gallery. Choose Diffuse Glow in the Start folder. Change amount of brightness to 10, glow amount to 5, and clear amount to 10. Then, turn on Diffuse Glow and copy it with the icon at the bottom. Change one of them to Texturize in Texture folder. In Texture box, choose Sandstone. Light is top and OK. Turn on the copy layer back, Filter Gallery. Turn off Texturize layer and change Diffuse Glow to Glowing Edges in Stylus folder. Which edge brightness is 16 and smoothness is 6. Right-click to the adjustment icon and choose Invert. Click the matte edge with Ctrl Alt G for Windows or Command Option G for Mac. Change blending mode from normal to linear burn. Reduce the opacity to around 60%. After that, add layer mask to it and use brush with 38% opacity and black in foreground to remove the effect on areas that we want to eliminate. Create levels. Decrease midtone to 0.89 and increase black to 5. That's it. Enjoy your result. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please hit like and subscribe buttons, and you can enjoy our tutorials about Photoshop technique tips while learning. Free tutorials are launched day by day, so it will satisfy your needs in case you are interested in Photoshop. Please leave comments right below the video in case you have any questions. Thank you and see ya!